Okay. Over here a crankshaft is placed with help of journal bearings like this. Journal bearings, exactly. So this is called your engine block, first of all, which contains all your pistons moving up and down, and it's have your oil filter mounted over here. Now, these holes are called water jackets, from which water flows for the cooling of engine. The water comes from this end, flows to these two all ends, and cooled your cylinder and comes out. Okay. The next part comes is your block. Keep it over here. Sir, we can use coolant also.
Sir, where is
Coolant is only supplied. That's a coolant
plus water.
Both are supplied in this one. But mixture of that. Coolant is adequate. That's why they have used water as a this problem. Otherwise, coolant is the best. This is called as a cam assembly. Cam shaft.
Yes.
This shaft couples to the crankshaft. As the shaft rotates, the valves open and close. That's the work is to maintain the control the intake and exhaust of the car. At the end of this, you have a distributor.
Wait.
One side distributor gets a distributor.
Sir, here.
Yeah. Okay. Take another one from that. Hey boys, give me a distributor. There was a spare distributor. Over there. This is a distributor. It's mounted somewhere here, like this. Yeah? Okay. As the camshaft rotates, this part rotates, and the upper end this rotates. There is a wire. Ask for the wire as well. Distributor wire. Yeah.
There is oil pump.
It's oil pump. Now, at the top of this part is mounted, called as a distributor body. From the center, currents come in to this pin. This pin touches this pin, so there's current on this plate as well. As this plate rotates with the rotation of engine, it touches all these three ends, and this is how current distributes. Sometimes current goes to this one, then first, second, third, like you mentioned.
Okay.
For three
Three
spark plugs.
spark plugs.
And these ends goes to your cylinder body, the spark plug end. Clear?
Okay, sir.
This is called distributor, cap, and distribute the currents to your engine. This is called a fuel pump. Distributor rotates, and this part touches this pump, and this pump sucks oil from the tank and give it to your carburetor for engine running. That's the work. Yeah, so all are linked together. Camshaft linked to crank. So crank linked to cam, and cam to your distributor and to your oil pump. All are linked together. Yeah? Give the back.
This is linked to the carburetor.
Yeah. Okay. So what is this one?
Oil pump.
Oil pump. Now this part is called carburetor.
And fuel, sir, what is this? This is carburetor.
To pump oil from a petrol tank to your carburetor.
Sir, we have another oil pump.
Which one? That's a lubricating oil.
Lubricating.
That's a combustion oil, engine oil. This is for the petrol. This is for the
Petrol,
lubricating oil.
it leaves to carburetor from there to engine cylinder.
Yeah, one per inlet, one outlet. Pump sucks now. That's the thing is. Now this part is called carburetor. If you rev hard, this valves open like this, and the amount of petrol is controlled by you. Okay. So whenever you throttle it like this, the airs come from this end, mix over this end, and come back to this end. From this end goes to your engine with the help of this inlet unit. This is mounted over here. Air fuel mixtures come in, goes to your intake. This is called intake manifold. Clear? So carburetor and intake clear. What the purpose is?
Air fuel
Exactly.
mixture.
This is called exhaust manifold. From here, exhaust come out. Now, exhaust gases. This is called a flywheel. Rotating mass. Above it, this plate is mounted, called as
Flush plate.
And above that, this plate is mounted, called as pressure plate.
Pressure plate.
Yeah,
Pressure plate.
pressure plates. Right. So when the engine starts, these plates are bolted like this. Both are touching, means clutch is sandwiched between these two plates. Okay. Now when you press this lever, this spring is pressed and this pressure plate goes off, and now the clutch is apart. That's the work. Clear?
This will go in, sir.
You have to go this. Put your legs. Stand up. Put your legs over there. Hey, stand up. Right, legs.
మధ్యలో
Oh, listen. Center. This part. Yeah, press the clutch. If you press hard, it will go in. With your heel. Do that. Heel. Use the heel. Yeah. That's the work is. If you press hard, this part lifts up. This is how the clutch works. That is part. Lower parts lift up. This is called the working of clutch. So at your block,
where this will this one comes from energy this gets it.
pedal, clutch pedal.
But we will press it light also.
Yeah, exactly.
పాత కార్ అది మనది కొత్త
Clutch pedal hard.
Sir, but we will press it light also. Then we apply that clutch.
It depends. If you hydraulic clutch, it's light. If manual clutch, it's hard.
it's manual clutch because it's a old one
Old one. Yeah, manual clutch.
What else the hydraulic?
sir
Manual brakes you have na. Fast clutch.
Yes, sir.
sir that is wire no sir manual we will have wire but we will apply sir some amount of force
There is a lever na. Boost it multiplies. It's very high. After applying a lever, leverage L. Boost multiplies.
Length of the
Lever. That's it. Yeah, that's it. This is the working of basic parts of the engine. At lower you have your oil sump, and this is the oil sump pump. This is for
Strainer.
water. Water pump to pump the water, and this is the oil sump one. There's an oil sump pump. Where is to keep the pump? There must be a pump over there. That one. Now. This is the oil pump. It sucks the oil from the engine lower it like this. It distributes your all the fluid bearings. That's the working. That's all. That's a piston, and that's your connecting rod. Yeah. This is lubricating oil. Lubricates.
sir this is aluminum alloy
Aluminum oil.
So fuel injector.
They don't have injector. It's a carburetor engine.
Petrol.
Petrol. Okay, this one.
Petrol
Sucks the oil.
Spark ignition.
Pump. Sucks the oil. It's a general gauge.
అదే ఒకటి ఉందా రెండు
Okay.
That
So
is-
that's a crankshaft. You know that part.
Yes,
That's
yes,
the
sir.
first rotary. I explained that part. Now let's
assemble.
assemble it. Come on.